First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see 10 mixed arithmetic questions that which we need to follow for today. Let's see the question number 1. A shopkeeper sells a certain quantity of sugar costing 18.08 per kg. It is sold at a gain of 12.5% and the total profit earned is 113. What is the quantity of sugar did he sold? Let the number of quantity of sugar be x. Then costing will be 18.08 and profit gained is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 profit gained and the profit value is given as 113. From this we can able to find the value of x, which is nothing but the quantity of the sugar. So x value will be 8 3 times 24. So 24 and 88 90 904 due to point here 00 divided by 1808. So it is 100 times and this is 2 times. 100 divided by 2, 50 is the answer. So 50 kgs. Option B is the answer for this question. Next, question number 2. Ram traveled a journey of 120 kilometers by train from Patna to Pune. Patna to Pune, 120 kilometers in X hours. Next, later he traveled a journey of 1320 kilometers by car. This is by train, this is by car. Pune to Punjab, this is Punjab, in 3x hours. The speed of the car means distance by time. So 1320 divided by 3x is equals to how many times? How many times means let's take that as a x question mark value. Speed of the train is 120 divided by x. So 120 divided by x. X and x cancels. 0 and 0 cancel. 11 times. So our question mark value will be 11 by 3. Option A is the answer for this question. Next, question number 3. A shopkeeper sold a pen on 33.33% discount and a pencil on 11.11% discount. The total discount on the set of pen and pencil is 20%. Find the ratio between market price of a pen and a pencil. So initially the pen is given on a discount of 33.33%. From that we can able to find the market price is to selling price ratio. Market price 1/3 is given. 1/3 given means initially it is 3 parts. Now it becomes 2 parts. So this is market price to selling price ratio we have. For pencil, market price to selling price ratio, it is said that 11.11% discount is given, means 1 by 9 discount is given, means initially it is 9 parts, now it becomes 8 parts. So let's take these values are 300x and 200x. Let's take these are 900y and 800y. So in question it says that the total discount on the set of pen and pencil is 20%. So 20% on a pen, which will be 60x, plus 20% on a y, which will be 180y, is the discount, total discount given. But here 300 minus 200x, which is nothing but the discount. So total discount here we given as 100x, plus here what is the discount we given? 100y. So from this equation we can get x by y ratio, x is to y ratio. So here we have 60 and 100 means 40x. 40x equals to 80y. So x is to y will be, x is to y value will be 2 is to 1. Now the question is asked about find the ratio between the market price of a pen and a pencil. Asking about the ratio of 300x divided by 900x. So this will be 300x, x value is 2. So 300 2 times 600 divided by 900. So we got a ratio of 6 is to 9. So option C is the answer for this question. Next, question number 4. The ratio of the present age of Jeetalal and Babita is 5 is to 7. So Jeetalal and Babita 5x and 7x. And the ratio of the age of Jeetalal 6 years ago, 5x minus 6. And the Babita 6 years hence, 7x plus 6 is in the ratio of 1:3. So from this we can get here 5 3 times 15x, 6 3 times 18 equals to 7x plus 6. So from this we get 8x value will be 24, x value will be 3. Now the question is asked about find the sum of the present age of Jeetalal and Babita. So asking about sum of these two, which is nothing but 12x, 12 3 times, which will be 36 is our answer. So option A is the answer for this question. Next, question number 5. A boat goes 126 kilometers upstream and returns to the starting point in 11.5 hours. Okay, 126 kilometers m minus s and 126 kilometers m plus s. It takes 11.5 hours. It nothing but 23/2. We can write this. If the speed of the boat in still water is 23, so m value is given as 23, s value we don't know, m value plus s value. From this we can take 126 is common and 23 plus s minus plus 23 minus s and s cancels. In denominator we have 23 square 529 minus s square equals to 23 divided by 2. Here we have 23 and 23, which will be 46. So this will be 2 times. So 2 times means 2 into 2, which will be 4. So 4 into 126. So 126 4 times. 4 6 times 24. 4 2 times 12 4 times 48 50. 504 we got here. So 504 equals to 529 minus s square. So s square equals to 529 minus 504, which is nothing but 25. So s value will be 5. S value is 5. Now the question is asked about find the time taken by boat to cover 252 kilometers in downstream. So we got s value 5. M value already given 23. Now the question is asked about time taken to cover 252 kilometers in downstream, means sum of these two, which is 28. 28 9 times. So option C is the answer for this question. Next, question number 6. While chasing a chain snatcher, initial distance between him and the police was 750. If the speed of the policeman and the thief are in the ratio of 3:2, so speeds ratio is in 3:2. So the distance ratio will be same as 3:2. Okay. Here we have given that distance between them means the difference between these two. One part value is given as 750 meters. So the question is asked about find the distance of the thief had run before getting caught. Asking about 2 parts value. So 2 parts value will be 1500 meters. 1500 meters means 1.5 kilometers. So option D is the answer for this question. Next, question number 7. Bablu invested a sum of money at compound interest. His money tripled in 2 years. So principal, let's take it as 1 part. It tripled means it becomes 3 times amount. Okay, for 2 years. Okay, in 8 years it will be y times. 8 years means extra 2 years we have 1:3. Extra 2 years we have 1:3. So we have totally 2 cube value, which is 8 years. 8 years completed. So 8 years completed means 1 into 1 into 1, which is 1. 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27. So the calculate the value of y. Y is nothing but how many times of the original principal. From original principal it becomes 27 times. So option B is the answer. Next, question number 8. Find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of paint. So paint loni, in a paint there are the 5 words, 5 letters, PAINT, but we need only 4 letters word. Okay, where the repetition of the letters is not allowed. So here repetition is not allowed means Here we have a possibility of any 5 words, any 5 letters. Next we have only 4 possibilities. Next we have only 3 possibilities. Next only 2 possibilities. So answer will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, which is nothing but 120. So answer will be option E, 120 is our answer. Next, question number 9. The product of the ages of Virat and Dhoni. Virat and Dhoni product is 168. If thrice the age of Virat is more than Dhoni age by 22 years, 3V minus D is given as 22. So from this we can write this as V equals to 22 plus D divided by 3. Substituting this in first equation, we have D square plus 22D minus 168 into 3. From this we get quadratic equations. 168 we can write this as 14 12 times, 12 3 times 36. So we get 22, and plus and minus means root signs will be negative and positive. Negative is given to the bigger value and positive value is given to the smaller one. So we got the roots of 14 and minus 36. Here the ages will be in positive only, so we take a D value. D got 14 as the age. Now the question is asked about find the present age of Virat. So Virat age will be, here we have V into D is 168. So V into D is 168 means V will be 14 12 times. So V is 12. So option A is the answer for this question. Now we are moving to question number 10. If the sum of rupees 13,440 is invested at 16.66%, means 1/6 for 3 years, then what will be the amount? Asking about the amount. So this is the interest we got here. So 1/6 for 3 years, this will be 2 times 2, 6 times, 7 times, 2 times and 0. So this is the interest we got. So adding that interest to the principal, which is nothing but the amount. So we got an amount of 0, 6, 11, 0, 20160. So option D is the answer for this question. By this we have completed today's 10 mixed arithmetic questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your score in arithmetic, the best books and their official purchase link will be given in the description. Please go through the link and purchase the books. Thanks for watching.